Are you tired of the mundane and want to unlock the secrets of unthinkable wealth? This trader has achieved what most can only dream of, generating an astonishing $2 million every single week. How does he do it, you may ask? Allow me to shed some light on the matter. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, there exists a concept known as miner extractable value, or MEV for short. It grants miners the power to manipulate transactions within a block, choosing which to include, exclude, or even reorder. This immense authority opens the door to profiting from price discrepancies and gaining an unfair advantage over other traders. And that's where sandwich bot trading comes into play. This innovative technique leverages MEV by utilizing automated bot to execute trades. This cunning bot insets their own transaction between others, creating a metaphorical sandwich of profit. The art lies in capturing the opportune moment to exploit market movement and maximize gains. However, it's important to note that the combination of MEV and sandwich bot trading has created both immense wealth and controversy within the crypto space. While some claim it as a stroke of genius, others condemn it as unfair and detrimental to the market integrity. Now, let's return our focus to the enigma himself, Jared from Subway. This mysterious figure has honed his skill to perfection. With algorithm as swift as lightning, he executes trade flawlessly, exploiting even the tiniest price differences to amass enormous profits. Imagine reaping a daily bounty of 200 Ethereum, an extraordinary feat indeed. The allure of such immense success beckons us to ask the inevitable question, who is this mastermind behind the mask? Alas, the answer eludes us, for Jared from Subway shrouded his true identity in secrecy. Perhaps it is this very air of mystery that adds to his legend, allowing his success to speak for itself. But fear not, for I shall now guide you towards potentially uncovering your own path to wealth. Here is how to reproduce the success of Jared from Subway. Step 1. Learn to code in Rust or Go, the premier languages for building bots of this caliber. These languages offer the power and flexibility required to develop sophisticated trading algorithms. Step 2. Reverse engineering the working bot. A treasure awaits those who possess the tenacity to dissect the intricate working of existing bot. Look no further than NGameFi, a reputable source for such resources. Step 3. Immerse yourself in the realm of open source bots. Study them meticulously, dissecting every line of code and understanding their underlying strategy. Knowledge is power, and by familiarizing yourself with this bot, you gain a clearer understanding of the landscape you seek to conquer. Step 4. Now comes the moment you've been waiting for, building your own bot. Armed with newfound coding skill and a wealth of knowledge from reverse engineering and studying existing bots, you are now ready to craft your masterpiece. Piece by piece, code by code, you will breathe life into your creation, imbuing it with the power to navigate the crypto market and seize opportunity. Remember, this path is not for the faint of heart. It requires dedication, obsession, and an undying drive to achieve results. But with every challenge comes the potential for triumph. So believe in yourself, harness your determination, and dare to dream of joining the ranks of the crypto elite. Now go forth, intrepid seeker of wealth, and may the crypto god smiles upon you in your quest for triumph.